Hi, I'm Nick, and without doubt the best lecturer at Scope Training. So I can say things like this because they put me in charge of the video. Who wants to do a video? No one. And I said, okay, well, I'll do it, which gives me carte blanche to say whatever I want. So, as the best lecturer at Scope Training, I will continue doing the best lecture ever. What I want to explain is just the concept of these e-workshops. So for a lot of people, we've got two models that we're kind of familiar with. One is a conventional workshop, all right? And this is often segmented into different blocks. Call these days where you come in, you sit down, you're quarantined in an environment with other humans. You can touch them, you can feel them. You get the vibe, that kind of environment. This is what it looks like for those who are unsure still, right? Kind of a workshop environment. Then you've got this model called the online model. And the online model, I'll draw this one in red. The online model is slightly different. Basically, we've got the absence of this kind of stuff. We don't have a training room. You're not in close proximity of humans. The course is less sort of broken up into segments based on duration. The segments are based more on outcomes and achievements. So if you think about online as, look, start my course here and I finish my course here, rather than a number of days, we just have a number of modules, and each of those modules have assessments for you to complete. The key difference there is you're not captured with the online. So for some people, this is awesome because they've got the flexibility. For some people, the workshops work better because they need to be imprisoned to do their work. All right. Recently, we've thrown together another model, I'm going to call it a hybrid model, which sort of, in my contention, combines the best elements of these. And we've called this the e-workshops. All right. And what an e-workshop is basically, wasn't hard to work out, was it? An electronic workshop. So we're still not touching and feeling each other. We've still got some separation, but we've still got that degree of, we'll get things done and we're quarantined. We've got sessions and so on. So the sessions are online, and these are facilitated through video conferencing. We have a block of them. You can attend them if you want, just like you would with these sort of workshop scenarios, or just like these online sort of models, you can say, look, I don't want to attend that day. I've got things to do. Or I'm going to leave that block out and start with this one. So the e-workshops, we're trying to emulate as much as we can, retain that classroom sort of feel and keep the engagement going, but also really propel that flexibility that people would have with the online sort of delivery. So effectively, that's the e-workshop. We've taken the workshops and we've put them online. I know that's mind-blowing, but we're getting good results out of it. People are really getting a lot out of them.